see it.
Yes, input 73. 63.5. Hey guys, it's Megan with EcoZapp, and we are back at it again. It is 9:30 in the morning on a Friday. Woo! And we are out doing our first install. Alright, let's get it done. Howie, did I tell you my joke about the AC guy?
No, what's that?
Do you know why he ran towards the unit?
Why?
He was charging it.
Oh.
Dad jokes for the win. Alright, so he's going to put in our Arctic Blast right now. And then we're going to go back in and take some more readings. Just as a reminder, this is a one-time install. So as long as your unit's running great, our product's going to work great. And just like that, we're done. And headed in to get another reading. Hopefully y'all are going to start seeing this truck around town a lot more often. Right, Mitchell?
That's right. 63.
And we're now at 63. Alrighty, and not even 10 minutes later, we're down to 50.